Guys, it's your boy Santa here, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're gonna be showing you how to make wrapping paper, with paper. If you so I'm gonna show you how to make a present without any wrapping paper. Let's go into the video. So first, you want to get the stuff that you want. So let's say I wanna do this, use this as a present, or this thing as a present, or yeah. So let's say I want all 3 of these rocks as a present. So you want to get a Ziploc bag. After that, you want to open it. Put all 3 of the stuff that you want, or 2, 1, any amount. Alright, so make sure it can't come out. Alright, so this one comes with me. And then I'm going to set you on this table. So that you want to get the rocks, right? Next, you want to get piece of paper. Okay. Now you want to fold it like this. Fold it like this. Next, you want to fold it like this. Okay. Now you want to go to you want to wet it. Hold on. Okay. After you do that, you want to get another piece of paper. So once you fold it up like a square, you want to wet it, squish it, so it doesn't come out and go in the rocks or your present. Alright, now next, you want to put it right here. Open it. Open it. Other side too. Now it's going to be like this. Put it right here. Get your rocks. A circle. Okay, and get your wet paper. Put the thing inside it. Okay. First you wanna put in there. And then other paper so you can make it wet. There's your other paper. And it's gonna be shaped as a ball. Put it in the freezer. Put it in your freezer and then wait for like 3 hours or 2 hours, and then you're done. And then open the freezer, and then you see. Like, give me thumbs up and subscribe and about.